Eggs are more of a whitish cream color, and they're also a little bigger. These are from our emus, which are the large birds we have in here. They are not living any longer. This is a wallaby fur, and this is a red kangaroo fur.
Oh, that's a kangaroo.
Oh, so these are extinct.
Well, honey, you're pushing.
They're not extinct. We actually have them here. We have gray kangaroos in here, and we have some Bennett's wallabies.
Is that small one over there?
The small ones are the
Will
Bennett's
those
wallabies.
bite? Will those bite?
The emus, we do ask that you not touch any of our animals in here, but they shouldn't come up to you and come after you.
Is that why they don't bite?
I got it.
Well,
And hold them on the opposite side.
Oh, yeah,
so that's why
of the animal.
So fishes can't bite?
Like this one. It's
Anything with a mouth can bite you.
Say thank you.
Fish can't bite. Piranhas
We
can.
come out over here, Chuck. Thank
Bye.
you.
Ma, hold them on the other side.
Bye.
Oh, no, they're on both sides.
Oh, well.
One on this side, one on this side.
Oh no.
Don't touch anything.
Hey, Ma.
Ew, it's so disgusting.
Yeah. We'll have to go around.
I don't like being close to these birds.
This way.
Watch out for the green stuff.
They're weird looking, aren't they?
They smell.
I'm not smelling. I'm
Watch
just
out for the
reading.
green stuff, Abby.
Okay, we must went back in. Oh, there's the other kangaroo, Nate.
That's probably the mama.
No. Hey, Nate, please stay off that. So she said that's a different kind of kangaroo than the one we seen over here. Oh, kick the shit out of you. They're the ones that eat the box.
Mama, I think I'm gonna have a beach.
Yeah. There's a birdie over there.
Oh no.
Ab.
Oh crap, that's actually gross. Is that an eel? Is that not?
Ab.
Looks like it had a hole in it.